before you begin the week, you first of all have to go to foreignfactory.com. Very important. You have to check to see the news for the week. And the news is what will guide you whether to know whether it's going to be a technical week or a fundamental week. And so you have to put this in your fingertips. Most of the traders who trade, they don't really observe on this. These are very, very key factors you have to what always look out for before you start your trade. So you know the what, you know all the news coming out in the week, the high impact news and the low impact news. And so when there's news, a lot of news in the week, that means the week is going to be what? A fundamental week. And so you should be expecting unusual movements. Okay. And so if there's no much news in the market, that means we're gonna have technical, and technical is gonna play out. And so I am a technical trader. On Point FX students are all technical traders. We analyze the chart with the what? With our candle patterns and our candle movements. That's how we analyze the charts. We don't care whether there's a news going to happen. And if the news is going to happen, we are going to quickly, we are the first people to notice a change in the market. Okay, we will definitely notice a change in the market before that event or that news will take place. And so for that matter, if you're a technical trader, you have more insight than maybe a fundamental trader. You understand? And so, guys, like it's simple. Just take first thing you have to do. Come on foreignfactory.com. Let's analyze the news for the week. And so for the week, what I'm seeing on Monday 5th, no news. I'm not seeing any high impact news. And so the high impact news are the ones in the red folder. I have just filtered it, and I've seen the high impact news are the ones in the what? Red folder. And so when you look on Monday, no news. Look on Tuesday 6th, that's 12:30 a.m. We have cash rate. Okay, so you have to cash rate, and that's on odd. It's going to happen on odd. So a news will be released around that time. So we know how we trade. I don't want to release so much information so that most of the I don't want my on Point FX students to get angry that I might be releasing too much information. And so from here, guys, if you really want to learn how to trade, you have to go check under the description and look for what and get our contact is under there, or join on Point FX community. The Telegram channel is also listed there, and our recommended broker is there. And so when you do that, guys, just get in touch with me, and we'll do this once and for all, and you become a very profitable trader, and you can pass your FTMO challenges in what in just like that, very simple like that, no stress. Okay, we trade with no stress. And so when you look at Tuesday, we have some another USD news that will be released around 10 a.m. and so that's depending on the country you are. So if you're in any country, you have to just look at the timing and know what the time is gonna, what time favors or matches with your country time. And so you have to take note of that, guys. Very important. And so looking at Wednesday 7th, 5 a.m., we have another news. And so you can see that this week there's a little bit of news from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There are news. So you could expect that this week might be let me see 70% fundamental, because a lot of news coming out this week. So when you are training, you just have to be careful. And so I train my students on how to what trade when there's news, a lot of news during that week, and we know how we enter our moves. So if you really want to know how to do this, guys, you really have to what come in and what join the On Point FX academy and learn the course, and be a good trader like just we are. Be a good trader like we are. Okay, so guys, let's move straight to the chat and take some few pairs and see how it will go during this week, and we are expecting some good moves. And guys, let me be honest here. Look, most of you the traders trading, blowing accounts and other stuff, making like loss, profit. Guys, you don't have to look. You need a mentor. You need a mentor to guide you on how to trade. Don't say you know it all. Get a mentor to guide you how to trade. Okay, and you become a good trader. You will not lose money as much, though you might lose money some days, but win rate is very high trading with On Point FX. So guys, you know what to do. So I'm also giving a bonus, a discount to the first anyone who gets this watches this video and gets into the DM to message On Point FX to join the academy, guys, we are going to have a discount straight from there. And so let's move to the chat right away and see what happens in the chat and what is likely to happen this week too. So this week we are looking at, let's see, I'm very concerned, I'm very particular on some few pairs, and I'm trading those pairs. I give a signal. And so guys, if you're also in here, you want VIP signals, you want you need you need a very good signal to be able to, you are a worker, you are working, and you need very good trade that you can be holding for days and days and days. Guys, you have to come here if you want to also learn how to swing trade, scalping. Guys, you just have to get into DM and WhatsApp or what, join the On Point FX community, get our contact there, message us, and let's do this together. So let's look at this pair, Gbpaud. Gbpaud is very, very good this week. And so for my information, from what I'm going to tell you right away from here is that, look, guys, Gbpaud is what is going to drop massively. And I'm expecting this to drop for over what? I'm expecting a lot of move on GBP guys. I'm expecting a lot of move on GBP. And so I'm looking out for GBP to move. GBP I'm looking for a down movement. And so if you are buying GBP guys, you just got to be very careful because GBP is on a down move. And guys, if you are watching me and you are in On Point FX, my students know what I'm talking about. And so guys, it's very, very clean and clear, you know. So let's see from here to so guys, I'm looking at 650 pips straight or 700 pips straight for, but you know, some of us are already into this trade and we are already scaling in. And so Gbpaud, we are still looking for a down movement. So guys, if you are trading this particular week and you are trading on Gbpaud, guys, be looking for sell opportunities, and we are still expecting, though there might be some little bit of buys, but guys, we are expecting what sell opportunities. If you want to learn how to catch all these moves, these massive life-changing moves, you just have to join On Point FX and learn the right way on how to trade these. So I'm looking at that Gbpaud, and so I'll be making a lot of noise on this pairs as the months, as the weeks go ahead. Guys, you should expect me making a lot of noise on that because I know what I'm telling you. So let's move to Audusd, guys. Audusd. Okay, so when you look at our chart, you can see some zones in the market, and that's our psychological zones. And so this week too, we are expecting Audusd to have a what? To have a sell move, and it should be selling greatly. And so looking at the analysis and the technical analysis we have made so far, we are expecting Audusd to what? Move down. And so we have, since last week, if you are in the VIP signal, you know I drop a signal on USD for a deep sell, and it's a position sell, a position trade I dropped, but then I kept we kept adding positions, adding positions, and also my scalpers also know what I'm talking about. We kept catching trades back to back, just making profit back to back in that order, and it's very, very stress free. And so let's look at the number of pips this market. So we are still in profit. As I talk to you right now, we are still in profit. Let me just show you on our Telegram channel. You might see some of the trades on the Audusd we took, and it's running and scaling in beautiful profits currently. And so guys, you can see it here. So this is the On Point FX community, guys. Just join the community and see and learn a lot of stuff in the market. So this is the trade we caught, and you can see it here right away. Very good. You can see it. Audusd. That's the trade we got. Just like that, guys. All this in profit. So you can see it was running in profit. And also I wanted to drop a signal on what NZDJPY. As I'm analyzing the trade, I'll talk about NZDJPY to for you guys to know where the market is heading to. Like you have to know that the big players move the market. And how do you know this? You have to join the On Point FX Academy and learn how to trade this. Very simple. So let's move to the chart again. So on all the USD, my bias is still for sale. So anytime you get a pullback, you should be happy because you're gonna make money. And so if you don't know the right time, I mean the right time to enter the market, that's going to be very stressful. You might end up blowing your money before this market will sell. And so when you blow your money, trust me, on Point FX students are going to catch that profit and we scale it in. So on my bias, all USD is for a sell. So guys, let's move to the next chart, and that's NZDJPY. So NZDJPY to my bias is for a buy. And so let's look and see what's happening currently. So on the scalping notes, we have a way of scalping the market in and out, but then I'm on higher time frames. I'm just looking at the market in a bigger picture. And so um on NZDJPY, guys, I'm still on the buy trend on this because the market my bias is still a buy for now. But if you don't know how to catch it, you will get hit. So my bias for NZDJPY is a buy. So if you see a drawdown, guys, be looking for buy opportunity on NZDJPY, and this could buy till the year ends. So you just have to just know that it's going to be buying for a very long time. So you just have to be very, very clear on this. And let's see the next pair again. I think that's just that. That's my bias. And so let's go and look at our main factor, which is what I think let me talk about a USD card too. USD card, we are looking for buys to USD card. So guys, my bias for USD card is a buy straight and nothing less, a buy. So USD card, you see that market is currently buying at this stage, is buying. So guys, 100% and USD card is buying. So we'll be looking for buy opportunities on USD card straight, and if market is heading to the top, any pullback you get, you should be looking for buy opportunities. Forget everybody, look for buy opportunities. So I always talk about these two factors. That's GPY basket, and that's for the GPY pairs, and the DXY. DXY is what DXY tells us how dollar is performing. So when dollar is performing, DXY is telling us something massive. And so currently you can see that DXY is heading to the moon, is heading to the top. And so you just have to be looking for buy opportunities on what this DXY. And so that means when DXY is buying, that means or bullish, meaning USD pairs are going to be weak. USD pairs are going to be weak. So you just have to take note of that. And so let's look at the GPY basket. GPY basket is it also talk about the GPY pairs. So when GPY basket is what GPY basket is bearish and is dropping, that means GPY pairs are not what strong in the market. They are not strong. Like they are not strong, guys. They are let me say they are weak, very soft. Okay. So GPY basket, when GPY basket is buying, that means what the GPY pairs are going to be volatile and very what um they are going to be very, very volatile. When I say volatile, that means GPY pairs are going to gain strength. That means strength. When they gain strength, that means GPY will start performing very, 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 very good in the market. But for now, you can see on the chart that GPY is what GPY basket is currently on a down move. And so we don't look for any buys, we have to look for sells. So, and we should know that if you are trading any pair against GPY, that means that pair will be performing good than GPY. That's just basically that. So guys, you should take notes of this two stuff, DXY and GPY basket. So guys, if you have learned something good in this, you have to what subscribe, and also watch out for um more videos coming on how to catch trends and other stuff and continuations. There will be some there are a bit of videos coming out, very, very great content. And if you are watching and you are in anywhere in the world, you are interested to become a profitable trader, a professional trader, you have to join the On Point FS Academy and learn how to trade the right way. Most of my students know what I'm talking about. I don't want to release so much information here. so that most of the students will be like over what listen the vital informations that can change your life. So guys, if you have learned something good and you are interested to join, just check under the description, get in touch with us, or let me just display the Telegram so that you can see it. And let me just do this. Let me just put down. Okay, yeah. So guys, okay, so that's it. That's it. Just get in touch with us and learn how to trade. So that's the number there. That's the number there. +233 2756 83 212. So don't message any number apart from this number. +233 2756 83 212. WhatsApp the number right away. Just WhatsApp and you'll be attended to anywhere you are in the world. Guys, bless you all and have a fantastic week of trading. Be very patient when you are trading this week. And so if you have learned something, follow what I've said. All the pairs have pinpointed. Just be on it. You can reward the video and jot those pairs down. We are going to make so much noise about it because that's the what these pairs give more accuracy in them in their in the setups. Their accuracy are very very high. So when I talk once. So guys, bless you and have a wonderful day or evening at anywhere you are in the world. And make sure to come back to watch more videos here. Bye. Peace out.